So welcome back. This is Rajankar with you to guide you, to stimulate you, to encourage you to push up, to build up your career. Your career is my responsibility as usual. Understand? Recently, the Higher Education Department declared that plus 3, 6, 7 and PG first sem exams will be conducted, but the plus 3 first year, second year and PG first year exams will not be conducted. So they jumped up. So they made fun. Understand the points? Listen here. Their exams can be exempted for promotion of your class, for getting the mark sheets. But you can skip your live exams. So you will be examined on those subjects several times throughout your career. Understand the points? The concepts belong to those subjects which was not examined for the plus 3 first year students and plus 3 second year students and PG first year students. Those subjects will also be asked at the time of interview. You have to face the entrance examinations belong to the questions of those subjects. So you will be examined. It's your responsibility to find out the solution. It's your responsibility to try, to perceive, to understand, to acquire the concepts of those subjects and those topics from any success. This is the era of ultra modern technology. You are in 21st century. You have smartphone. You have computer. You have internet. You are in 5G. So you can source those classes from YouTube, Unacademy, Byju's, etc. from the various platforms, and you have to acquire the knowledge of the subject because you will be examined. Listen, no one will excuse at that time. You can't argue with the interviewer at the time of interview. Those subjects were not studied at that time due to the pandemic of the COVID-19. So you can't ask me the questions. You are the students, you have to die to see the heaven. So it's your responsibility to acquire those concepts from the various sources from the internet. Don't sit back and relax. You are not an IS officer. You are a student. It's the time to do labor. It's the time to die. If you are really cautious about your career, if you really want to do something in your life, your subjects, your concepts, your unread lessons will not let you sleep. So now you are getting time, you have sufficient time, you are free throughout the day. So make your day. Design your day according to you. Acquire the concepts, read the books, do ask wherever any doubt to your concerned teachers. Ask to the seniors. Collect the notes and books from your seniors and try to make a self-study. Because the life will let you excuse. The career not let you go now. No. Your life never let you go now. No. So, if you're really cautious about your career, you have to read all these unread subjects, untouched topics. Nothing will be trashed, fruitful from your vacation. You will engage yourself by playing PUBG only, watching cinemas, web series from the internet only. Understand the points? The prime objective of you is to read, is to acquire knowledge as you are in the Tinder age. So keep gathering knowledge, keep acquiring the concepts, keep watching the educational videos, not the web series. Make your vacation unuseful. Again, this is Rajankar with you. Welcomes you to my channel. videos based on the commerce concepts and educations, and the various tips for examinations and growth of career will be uploaded to my channel. So get updated with me by subscribing my channel, by liking my Facebook page, Smartcommerce video. A lot of thanks for watching this video. Hope almost all you understand me what I am saying. Your life will be examining you several times, so get ready for that. To defeat the life examiner, to conquer this world, you will be knowledgeous one. You will be a genius one. You will be a master of your particular subjects, concepts, areas. You are a talented commerce student. Listen, next 21st century is yours. You will conquer the world. You can do it. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind.